Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So this is gonna be another like winter fall try on haul from Eggie shop. So I got a bunch of new awesome pieces from Eggie shop, and honestly, like, I need to show you guys these because they're so cute. I've already posted a lot on my Instagram, but decided to do like a little try on haul for you to see exactly what all the pieces look like. And honestly, at this point I think I've covered like most of the Eggie website, so if you guys need any like sizing recommendations or I don't know, just have questions about the items, feel free to ask me. If you guys want to see me try on a bunch of Eggie clothes, make sure to keep watching. Alright, so the first piece I have here is this red number over here. It's like a mini dress. Initially, I wasn't sure because like normally I need dresses that are like really bodycon because they just make me look better, but actually, as you can see in the video, this dress is really like form-fitting and it really accentuates like my body type. So if you guys are looking for like a cute night out dress, this one is definitely great. Next I have this cute blue blazer. So it's like a cropped blazer, which means you can wear it with like a lot of skirts. I like to wear this with black ripped jeans normally, and I really like crop blazers at the moment. I feel like Song Style really made like blazers in for like the summer, fall. I don't know, they're just a great staple to have. So this blue, I don't have anything like this in my closet, so this is an awesome addition. Thank you, Eggie. Alright, so here's a very hard to show piece for you guys. It's basically a long sleeve bodysuit. It's kind of glittery, as you guys can hopefully tell. And then the back is open. It's like a round back. It's a holiday party kind of outfit. So if you put this on with some like, I don't know, ripped jeans like I said, or a skirt or literally anything, this would be the perfect holiday outfit. Next, I have this super comfortable tee. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram actually wearing this t-shirt or like long sleeve tee, and it's so cute. It has like a little E for Eggie right here, and then at the back it's got this dope graphic. Guys, look at this. This is so cool, and this is really good to wear as like a pajama top, or if you're just chilling and going to class, I like to wear this and then tie it at the waist. This one is so comfortable, guys. It's like this little v-neck top, and I don't know, I've been wearing this a lot actually, again with leggings because that's the only thing I wear in the winter. And yeah, the sleeves are also red. They match the top part right here. Honestly, this is my favorite sweater at the moment. Again, I've been wearing it in a lot of my Instagram photos. But this one is like a cream hoodie. It reminds me of boba actually. The top is like cream and the bottom is like the boba. Just like the Tiger Sugar boba photo that I posted on Instagram. It's so soft and so warm. A little too warm for LA, honestly, but soon I'll be able to wear this whenever I want. And yeah, it's really good quality as well. Like one of the thickest pieces from Eggie that I own, so I definitely recommend this piece. I love it. Okay, this top is really hard to show in person. It's got these crazy long like ribbons, but basically they go around your waist I think 2 times, and it's like a off shoulder top just like this one with a puff on the sleeve. I mean, you guys can see it, but it is super cute. I've always wanted like a tie waist top, and this one is like not too revealing. I know some tie waist tops are like super revealing, but this one is still work appropriate. You can still wear it to that job interview, and it's very cute and has a little bit of flair to it. This one is like the perfect little Sunday dress. I love the flower print on this one, and it has those like little puffy sleeves that have been really in like throughout summer and are still in right now for fall. So I don't know, this is like a really good closet staple. I feel like if you ever have like a nice event that you need to dress up for, or even to work, you could wear this. Like very versatile piece, so I love this one. And then here is a crazy cardigan that I got. I love this Houndstooth print. I don't think I own anything else in Houndstooth, but this looks really cute. It reminds me of like, I don't know, like a 90s New York outfit or something like that. But I think when I go to Taiwan, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. It's like the perfect coat just to throw on. Finally, one of Eggie's classic graphic tees. I think this is called the Wonder Tee, if I remember correctly. Super soft, and you guys know I love band tees. I actually wear band tees like honestly every day whenever I go to class, like when I'm just lounging, chilling, running errands. This kind of top is a lifesaver. Like I don't have to think about it. I just throw it on with some leggings. It's perfect. So definitely Eggie's graphic tees are amazing, just like the other piece I showed you. So this, super cute. Look at that. I love it. Alright guys, that is the end of my fall winter haul. I don't know, I've really been liking doing clothing hauls recently, but if you guys have ideas for other videos, let me know. And you can always find me on Instagram, at Jessica Carey Lee. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.